Hi and welcome back. So today I'm going to teach you something that definitely you shouldn't do in Python, and for that I'm going to use replit.com, which is a very nice website where you can create REPLs online. So REPLs are like you have the definition here. Let me make a sum here: read, eval, print, and loop. So basically, if you open the terminal and type Python, this is a REPL. So here you can do whatever you want. Hello world, and that's a REPL. And here you can do it, but online. So as you can see, I have used this in the past for doing some tests for Bash, for Ruby, PHP, Python, Node.js, etc., etc. And yeah, I'm going to, by the way, if you want, you can create a new REPL here, and you can create a REPL with all of these languages. So you have lots and lots of options. You name your REPL, and that's it. You're going to create one. Here I have this Python test, which I use for testing. I have enabled dark mode. If you want to enable dark mode as well, just go here and choose theme to be dark. Okay, so yeah, I can run here hello world, and yeah, it's going to show hello world. This is the REPL, so basically this is the same as doing this. Sorry. So yeah, you can do it here if you want, but the nice thing here is that, well, your code is going to be saved if I start typing it here. And you can also start this thread, which I haven't used, but it's to put comments in your code if you are doing this with someone else. You can invite someone, you can, yeah, here show the threads, etc., etc. So I like it. I like this this website. So let's see what you shouldn't do in Python. So suppose you are creating a simple function. Let's say that this function is called test. Okay, and test receives one argument, which is going to be a list, and if the list doesn't come, so if you don't pass any parameter, I'm going to set it as an empty array. Okay, so then I'm going to say I'm going to append 1 to this array, and then I'm going to return the array. So yeah, that's my little function. Now let's print test one time. Let's copy and paste this multiple times, and let's run it. So here I will expect this to return me 1, here to return me 1, and here to return me 1. And let's run it, and surprisingly it's returning me 1. Here it's returning 1 1, and here's returning 1 1 and 1. So what happened here? So the thing is that when you create this function, these default arguments gets created at the time this function is defined. That means that this is going to be reused through every call to this function. This is basically something that we don't want, and that's why you shouldn't use mutable objects as default arguments in Python. You shouldn't do that. So you will say, then how I can achieve this? So how can I make this to return 1 1 and 1? Well, it turns out it is really easy. I just say here L equal to none, and I'm going to do this little check saying if L is equal to none, then L is going to be an empty array, then L dot append 1, and let's see what happens if I do this. Yeah, run, and there you go. I have 1 1 and 1. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to show you in this video. So remember, don't do this. Um, don't do this. Don't initialize this as an empty dictionary, or you will have some trouble. Okay, so that's everything for this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.